Good morning, children. Today, in the EVS subject, we are going to have another topic as water cycle in the lesson It's Raining. So, let's begin with. Yes, children. So, first of all, we should look at this picture. Here, it is the sun which is shining in the sky, and it is throwing its light on the water source. This water source may be lakes, it may be ponds, it may be sea, oceans, fountains, etc. It may be any water source. So this sunlight is falling everywhere, and because of this sunlight, the water of the water source that gets heated, that gets warm, and after heating, it starts changing into its gaseous form, which is called as water vapor. Which is called as water vapor. These are the water vapors, and the process of changing water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. The process of changing water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. 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 When these water vapors goes up in the sky at a definite height, they start cooling. ठंडी होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. These water vapors start cooling. ये वाटर वेपर जो हैं कूलिंग करने लगती हैं, and then when these water vapors gets cooled, then they start taking the shape of clouds. In this way, cloud is formed. In this way, cloud is formed. And when cloud is formed, then what happens? The process of cooling is not stopped here. It is keep on cooling or condensing. That is, and on cooling it comes, means water droplets are formed inside the clouds, and they increase in size. When they become bigger in size inside the clouds, then this cloud becomes then this cloud cannot hold the water droplets. So these water droplets which are formed in the clouds, they start dropping, coming down in the form of rain. In the form of rain, R-A-I-N. Those water droplets present in the air starts coming down, and this process of changing water vapor into water, change of water vapor into water is called condensation. ये जो क्लाउड्स बने हैं इसमें वेपर हैं, वाटर वेपर हैं, और ये वाटर वेपर्स कूल होकर के फिर वाटर में चेंज होती हैं, और इस प्रोसेस को चेंज ऑफ water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. Condensation. C-O-N-D-E-N S-A-T-I-O-N, condensation. So, in this way, the rain takes place and the water comes on the earth in the form of rain. And some of the water, some amount of water is absorbed by the earth, by the ground surface, and whatever water is left, whatever water is left, that is that reaches to the rivers, that reaches to the rivers through the nalas, and those water from the rivers reaches to the water source again. So dear children, in this way these two processes are going on in the nature. One is the evaporation, means this water is being converted into water vapor on heating by sun's light, and cloud is formed at high in the sky, and this cloud again gets cooled, and water droplets are formed inside the clouds, and the water droplets, which becomes bigger in size, they cannot hold by the clouds, so they come in the form of rain, R-A-I-N. They come in the form of rain on the ground. Some water is absorbed by the earth, and whatever water is there left, that through the nalas it reaches to the river, and from the river it reaches to the water sources like the seas, lakes, ponds, and so like that. In this way, this cycle is going on in the nature. So this is all about the water cycle. I hope that, so dear children, this was all about the water cycle. I hope you would have understood about this, and we will meet again. Thank you for watching.